Pulled the handle and barely anything came out? If your Ninja Swirl isn't dispensing soft serve properly, or at all, here's what to check before you assume it's broken. Step 1. Make sure the swirl press fully retracted after spinning. If it didn't return to the top position, it can block flow. Power off, then back on. Your machine should auto-reset the swirl press. Step 2. Check if the mix is too hard or frozen solid. If your base froze too long or is too dense, the swirl press can't push it out. Let the pint sit at room temp for 10 to 15 minutes, then try dispensing again. Step 3. Clean the nozzle and swirl mechanism. Food buildup inside the extrusion nozzle or swirl press can block soft serve from flowing. Disassemble the front section, rinse it out, and remove any hardened bits of mix or toppings. Step 4. Confirm proper assembly of parts. The outer bowl, lid, and nozzle must be fully locked in for proper dispensing. Even a small misalignment can stop the handle from working correctly. Step 5. Use gentle, even pressure on the handle. Pull the swirl handle all the way down in one smooth motion. If you yank or hesitate, it can jam the press or create uneven flow. Bonus tip: don't overfill the pint. Leaving too little headspace can prevent smooth extrusion. Stick to the fill line and don't pack ingredients too tightly. Still having trouble? You may have a stuck press or motor issue. Use the support link in the description for help. If this guide worked, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for easy appliance solutions that actually make sense. Questions? Drop them in the comments. Your issue might be our next video. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the swirl.